Welcome, health enthusiasts, to a journey deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity and natural wonders. Today, our exploration takes us to one of the Amazon's best-kept secrets, a small, yet mighty, berry that has captured the attention of health-conscious individuals around the world. Get ready to discover the unusual superfood that hails from this enchanting rainforest, the acai berries. These small, dark purple gems are more than just a tropical delight. They're a powerhouse of nutrients with a myriad of health perks. But before we dive into the health benefits, let's unravel the mysteries of the Amazon and the unique journey of acai berries from the heart of the rainforest to your plate. Picture this: the Amazon rainforest, a sprawling canvas of greenery, a treasure trove of biodiversity that has fascinated explorers for centuries. Within this vast expanse lies a natural pharmacy, and among its many wonders is the small yet extraordinary. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, provides us not only with life-sustaining oxygen but also with an incredible array of medicinal plants and fruits. One such gift is the acai berry, harvested from the tall, slender palms that thrive in the heart of the rainforest. For generations, local communities in the Amazon have practiced sustainable cultivation methods, ensuring the preservation of both the rainforest and their way of life. The acai palm, scientifically known as Euterpe oleracea, is cultivated with a deep respect for nature's balance. Harvesting acai berries is a labor of love, often involving hand-picking the berries from the trees. This meticulous process not only maintains the integrity of the fruit but also sustains the delicate ecosystem of the rainforest. At first glance, these berries might seem unassuming, but don't let their size fool you. These small, dark purple berries pack a nutritional punch that has health enthusiasts singing their praises. Central to the magic of acai berries are antioxidants, those remarkable compounds that help combat oxidative stress in our bodies. These antioxidants contribute to cellular health and have been linked to a range of benefits. As we break down the nutritional content, we find a rich source of essential nutrients. Acai berries contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support skin health, or enhance your energy levels, acai berries offer a natural and delicious solution. Now, let's delve into the health benefits that make these berries a true superfood. First and foremost, acai berries have been hailed as guardians of heart health. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in these berries may contribute to cardiovascular well-being, promoting a healthy heart and supporting optimal circulation. But the benefits don't stop there. Acai berries are believed to possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. This could have far-reaching effects, from easing joint discomfort to supporting overall immune function. As we savor the potential health perks of acai berries, it's essential to remember that incorporating them into a well-rounded diet, alongside other healthy habits, can contribute to a holistic approach to wellness. As we continue our adventure into the vibrant world of acai berries, we arrive at a realm where flavor meets nutrition. Beyond being a nutritious powerhouse, acai berries offer a burst of flavor that can elevate your culinary experience. Acai bowls, a popular favorite, are not only visually appealing but also customizable to suit your taste. Top them with an array of fruits, nuts, and seeds for a delightful and nutritious feast. But the versatility of acai berries doesn't stop there. From smoothies and juices to desserts and even savory dishes, these berries can be incorporated into a myriad of culinary creations. Imagine enjoying the exquisite taste of acai while reaping the benefits of essential nutrients. It's a win-win for your palate and your well-being. As we conclude this journey, I encourage you, our fellow explorers, to embark on your own adventure with acai berries. Whether you're sipping on a vibrant acai smoothie or savoring the goodness in a nourishing bowl, let the magic of this Amazonian superfood enrich your health and culinary experiences. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the world of health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.